A country with sceneries out of this world. It is called the land of ice and fire. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Iceland. It is widely known that Iceland is an expensive destination, but in this video I will state 15 reasons why Iceland. Why Iceland? Because it is the only place in the world where you can walk and stand between two continents. The North American and the Euro-Asian plate, and these continents are stretching apart by 2 centimeters each year. And if walking in between wasn't enough, you can also cross by one continent to the other by bridge. The second reason why Iceland may be stupid for some people, but for me it was a dream come true, and I wanted to walk and feel and smell the dried lava from 3 months ago, and we got the opportunity to experience it. The third reason why Iceland is because the sunlight during the summertime are endless. Between May and August, the sun never really sets. This means you can sleep in a little bit and wake up later, and you still have a long day ahead, or just like us, you can take a 8 in the evening hike and finish around 11:30 and there will still be sunshine. And the fourth reason is, don't go chasing waterfalls, literally, because there are waterfalls everywhere. There are about 10,000 waterfalls in Iceland. You don't even have to chase them, you can also see them by car when you're driving. Why Iceland? To have the first time experience with the famous strokkur geyser, which erupts around every 4 and 5 minutes, sending steam and water up to 30 meters in the air. It was a crazy experience and it was pumping the crowd every time it erupts. The sixth reason why Iceland is something truly amazing, I gave it my own nickname, the Jacuzzi River. It is a river stream up in the mountains in a hot spring area, and the water temperature is so perfect that even though outside is cold and rainy, you can still enjoy the water and relax. Why Iceland? To experience the biggest glacier in Europe. We took a boat tour to experience the glacier lagoon, and what I found impressive was navigating through the big chunks of ice blocks. Why Iceland? Why? Because everybody loves diamond, and in Iceland you have Diamond Beach. My conspiracy theory, this is where they found the name Iceland. They found the ice on the land and they call it Iceland. That's a joke. These beautiful ice blocks are basically old glaciers that melted away and got thrown on the beach by the water stream. And the contrast of the ice and the black sand beach is something beautiful. Reason number 9 to visit Iceland is to see the puffins. These cute birds are excellent swimmers. They can dive up to 60 meters in the water to fish. 10th reason why Iceland, Icelandic horses. These has been bred for thousands of years. Nobody can import any other breed of horses into Iceland. At number 11, the reason why Iceland is to witness nature's very own art. This canyon is one of the most Instagrammable places in Iceland. What makes this canyon so unique is that the water has carved up this canyon in hundreds of layers, and also the blue-green color of the water makes an extra special touch to it. And reason number 12 might be something you need after some hiking. Geothermal Spa. What I thought was a tourist trap, I end up loving, and I would definitely do this again.
Chillings.
Reason number 13, creepy number 13, Friday the 13th, is that the people believe in elves and trolls, which adds to the mystical sceneries of Iceland. The list of reasons why Iceland is not in any particular order, so this is one of our top main reasons why Iceland is to do the whale watching tour. Why Iceland? Because this is the land of the Vikings. And let me tell you, the Vikings here are really nice people. They are awesome and friendly. Before I finish this video, I want to say if you are there, make sure you try the seafood because their seafood game is really strong. I know this video may sound like a commercial, but to wrap it all off, I want to say that this has been one of our best vacations so far. In Iceland provided us the opportunity to see things that we've never seen before in other countries. And I know Iceland can be expensive, but I would say save up, and I hope I gave you some reasons to visit Iceland in the future. And let me know which was your favorite reason, and if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. I'll be posting more videos in the future. Until the next time, bye bye.